To edit icons in Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. We can then navigate into the display and find the Edge panel. Make sure that your Edge panel is active. Just to make it easier, I'm gonna make it less transparent. And then now we can call out the Edge panel. So click on this pen button, which allows you to customize the icons you want to see on it. Click on the minus to remove them and select the icon to add them. You can also drag them to whichever place you like. Now, if you want to remove icons that are shown on the top divided by a line, we can click on the three dots right here. And as you can see, there's AI select. And when we activate this option and go back and call out, for some reason it doesn't show up right now, or it does actually right now. So you can remove it right here in this menu. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.